right, so our first unit is called Methods in Science. So just like we didn't do this whole book in class, we're not going to do the whole book now. I will tell you when I don't need you to write everything down. All right, science. Science is a systematic way of investigating the natural world. It begins by observing, meaning somewhere somebody decided, why can't we have paper that sticks to walls? And they figured out, hey, how can we do this instead of taping it, et cetera, et cetera. So it begins by looking around and understanding something. Observation. So first step, you look. It's made by using the five senses. Example, the mushroom's red. You're looking at it using your sense of sight. Inferences, logical assumptions based on the observation. You infer based on what you already know. You're using your prior knowledge or experiences to know, okay, like a red mushroom probably isn't good to eat because, like, that just screams danger to me. Okay, that's based on my prior knowledge and experience. The mushroom may be poisonous because it is bright red. See, they think the same thing as I do. Hypothesis is a testable statement that proposes a solution. Remember, it's an if, then, because statement. If the mushroom is poisonous, then it will cause a animal to get sick because, something. The purpose. Why are you trying to figure something out? It highlights the objective of the experiment. If you want to know what helps plants grow best, whether it's water or apple juice, that's your objective. What helps plants grow best? It may develop from that inference or from the observation. So looking around, you might be, oh, hey, this is why. Or you're going to be like, well, I wonder. So then you decide to test it out. Do this, write it down. Give me an example of a hypothesis and how it could be tested. Independent variable. So remember, we have independent and dependent variables. So its independent variable is the science changes or introduces it. It's also known as the manipulated variable. So if I'm having plants and they're all the same seed, they're all the same. The only thing I'm going to change is the type of liquid. One is going to get milk, one is going to get water, one is going to get apple juice, and one is going to get Mountain Dew. And you're going to test to see what helps it grow best. Okay. That the thing you're adding is the independent variable. Dependent variable is what you're observing to see change. It's the responding variable. So in our experiment that I'm talking about, how does the plant grow? Does it grow at all with milk? Does it grow a little bit? Looking at those type of things, that's the dependent variable. It depends on the independent variable. And they have a control group. They use this to compare to the test group. Remember the placebo effect. It means, okay, one has to be left the same. One has to be the normal. So if maybe the seeds didn't grow because it was a bad batch of seeds. But now you're saying your results that water doesn't even help plants grow. Well, that's not true. It meant that the batch was bad. So you have a placebo. It's the one that stays the same. Okay. This is what you don't have to do. Okay. If you want to see if you can do it off the top of your head, you can. It wants you to list the topics and then tell me 5 keywords, which is kind of what we did with our unit outline. All right. Any questions? Be ready to discuss it in class.